In this video, I'm going to be doing a formal analysis of the artwork Abaporu by Thalissa do Amaral. Abaporu is an oil painting on canvas by Brazilian painter Thalissa do Amaral. The word Abaporu comes from the Tupi language. This language is the language for the most important indigenous people of Brazil, which, if you translate Abaporu into the Tupi language, it means the man that eats people. The subject of the painting was depicted by the artist as, quote-unquote, a monstrous figure with enormous feet sitting on a green plain, the hands supporting the featherweight minuscule head, in front of a cactus exploding in an absurd flower. This monstrous figure is in fact a human being. As you can see, the element of distortion has been used on this painting towards the man. The man's feet are extremely huge compared to his head. There is no human being on this earth that is proportioned like this, meaning the man is distorted. This human anatomy has again been distorted. The figure is ageless, sexless, undressed, and completely unadorned. This human, with a huge foot and hand at the bottom of the canvas, slowly shrinks to a very tiny head at the top. This uses the element of line. As you can see, the body curves upward towards the top of the canvas. In the background of the painting, there is a natural setting. The earth is depicted as a small green mound where the subject sits. The vegetation is represented only by a cactus. To complete the scenery, there is a golden sun crowning the composition. The sky is depicted as a plain blue. As you can see, the element of color is used in this painting. Warm colors are used on the sun and the man, and cool colors are used in the background of the blue sky and of the vegetation of the mound of grass and the cactus. In this composition created by Thalissa do Amaral was inspired by the Brazilian writer Oswald de Arante. Its style has influences from French modernist painters as Fernand Léger, who was Thalissa's master in Paris. However, it is evident the closest resemblance is found in surrealist painter as Pablo Picasso and Joan Miro.